anticipated video games to launch in January 2025, a complete lineup. The new year brings new gaming thrills as January 2025 kicks off with a bang, offering an impressive lineup of fresh releases that will keep you glued to your screens. Whether you're a fan of classic franchises or eager to discover hidden gems, this month's lineup has something for everyone. Gamers can use this video on the gaming release date calendar for 2025 to keep track of the prominent titles coming out. GadInsider will keep on updating you with the lineups of video games set to launch in 2025. Here's a compiled lineup of upcoming video games in January 2025. YS Memoir, The Oath in Falgana, PS5, PS4, and Switch on January 7th. Freedom Wars Remastered for PC, PS4, PS5, and Switch on January 10th. Donkey Kong Country Returns HD for Switch on January 16th. Tales of Grace's F Remastered for PS5, PS4, Switch, PC, Xbox One, XSX, and S on January 17th. Dynasty Warriors Origins for PS5, PC, XSX, and S on January 17th. Star Wars Episode 1 Jedi Power Battles for PC, PS4 and 5, Switch, Xbox One, XSX, and S on January 23rd. Marvel's Spider-Man 2 for PC on January 30th. Sniper Elite Resistance for PC, PS4 and 5, XSX and S, Xbox One on January 30th.